Hello my dear, welcome to all of you. I am Chesa. Dear student, as you can see, we are studying transformation of sentences. In the previous video, we have learned how to transform an assertive sentence into negative. Okay? And here we will learn how to change an imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Is that clear? Okay. So dear, as you can see, imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Okay. So we are going to study the transformation of imperative sentence into assertive sentence. So in this topic we have two types. How many types? Two types. Okay. So let's see those two types one by one. Okay. So dear, the first type is here. Type first. When imperative sentence contain the word please, kindly and sir. Okay dear. If imperative sentence contain these words like please, kindly and sir, so in that case we use request. Okay, we use request and we do not use such words like please, kindly and sir. Okay, is that clear? Okay. In very simple words, if imperative sentence expresses the sense of request, because these all words show request. So if imperative sentence expresses request, so in that case when we change into assertive sentence, we use the word request at the place of please, kindly and sir. Okay. So let's understand it with some example. Okay dear, let's see the first example, help me please. So you can see the sentence contain the word please, and we know very well we use please, kindly sir only in imperative sentence. So dear, when you change this sentence, so very first I use the subject I request you to help me. I request you to help me. Okay. You can change also this sentence like that one, or you are requested to help me. Is that clear? So you can change the sentence in two ways. The first one, I request you to help me, and the second one, you are requested to help me. Both answers are correct. Okay. Now see the second example. Kindly sit here. Kindly sit here. So the sentence again expressing the sense of request. So I have changed here. You are requested to, dear, I have forgot here to mention sit. You are requested to sit here. Okay. Let's say you are requested to sit here. Okay dear. So I hope you have got very well type first. Okay. And here just opposite, you can see change assertive sentence into imperative sentence. Suppose that you have the sentence I request you to help me. So the sentence express the sense of request. So when you change this sentence into imperative, then you start the sentence from helping verb, main verb. So help me and use please. Okay. Now see the second type. when imperative sentence expresses order or advice. You know, sometimes imperative sentence express the sense of order and advice. Okay, so in that case we write you are ordered or you are advised. Okay, so I have example, post this letter immediately. So what is the meaning of this sentence, post this letter immediately? It means to say इस लेटर को तुरंत पोस्ट करो, अभी तुरंत. So the sentence give the sense of order. So that is why when you change into assertive, you write very first you are ordered to post this sentence, this letter immediately. Okay, let's see second example, take regular exercise. So this one expressing the sense of advice. So when you change into assertive, so you will write you are advised, you are advised to verb take regular exercise. Is that clear? Okay, so dear, in this video we learnt how to transform an imperative sentence into assertive sentence. So I hope you have got all my points very well. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can message me, you can call me. Till then, watch the video and enjoy, and take the screenshot and note down. Okay, take a screenshot.